Hello, my name is Cher Grieving, and this is my introductory video for EDL 854 School Finance. Like I said, my name is Cher, and I teach in Logan, which is a small 1A school in northwest Kansas. I actually live in Prairie View, Kansas, and drive to school 17 miles each day. We live on a farm. My husband farms, and we have 4 children. 2 are out of high school, one working full time, and the other is a sophomore at Fort Hays State. And we have a senior in high school, a senior son, and another daughter who's a sophomore in high school as well. This is my 23rd year of teaching. When I started out, I was in elementary education, and my undergrad is from Hays, and then I received my master's degree from Kearney online in special education. I'm on my 10th year of being in charge of the resource room at my school for grades 5 through 12. For 23 years, I've been the junior high volleyball coach, and for 20 years, I coached junior high basketball. And then I took on the athletic director position for the junior high, so I decided to retire from junior high basketball to give myself a break and make my job as an athletic director easier. I also am active in 4-H and our church. So I have some leadership positions in school and within our community, and I feel like because of my experience in different organizations within the school and community, and some of the leadership positions that I've taken on within the last 10 years, I just feel like I'm ready to take the next step from being a teacher into administration. I feel like I have something more to offer to younger teachers coming on board, and I enjoy being a leader. I enjoy everything that goes along with being a leader, from scheduling to communication, etc. And so I'm ready to go to the next step and become a leader within the school district. Therefore, I'm obtaining my endorsement in principalship. Again, just my background, I feel like my background will support my decision to become a principal. Just the fact that I have been a leader within my church and a leader within 4-H and other community activities, as well as the different leadership roles I've had in school. Just a veteran teacher and coach, and now athletic director. I've served on several committees throughout the year, and I'm currently working with teacher accreditation and the KISA process. I'm on that committee as well. So it is definitely preparing me for the next step to become an administrator. What are my strengths and weaknesses with finance? I can tell you this is probably the weakest area I have as an adult in any capacity. Probably I've always shied away from being the person in charge of finance or person in charge of money. In my home, my husband takes care of this, and in school, with being an athletic director, I have had the opportunity to be in charge of a budget for the junior high side, and to requisition expenses, and then I've also had the opportunity to see budgets and numbers and balances probably that I wouldn't see otherwise as a teacher. So I am understanding more about it, but that's one of the reasons I'm really looking forward to this course. I feel like I need this course, and I'm excited to learn from all of you and from this course as well. I don't have any other information. I'm just excited to get started and welcome you all to the class.